Have you ever wanted to sit back, relax, and burn an incense with your very own custom fragrance? I'm Maddie, and this is your chance to try and make some of your very own. Now, this is a really simple method to follow if you don't have the supplies to make incense sticks from scratch, and it's super cost effective too. So go ahead, tune in, and let's learn how to make some incense sticks. Now I'm starting with some blank incense sticks ready to go. Make sure the sticks you're using are indeed blanks and they contain no fragrance. And I got mine pretty cheap on Amazon. So to get them ready, I'm gonna go ahead and lay them out in a large piece of aluminum foil and make sure you have enough foil to be able to wrap the sticks up like a little present. All right, so now in a mixing beaker, you're gonna be combining your DPG and your fragrance oil of choice. I'm using our frankincense scent because it's an absolute staple if you ask me. So I'm gonna go ahead and stir these two thoroughly and make sure they're nice and well combined. So let's go ahead and do it. So this is already pre-measured out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dump it in. We're just going to keep stirring for a few seconds or so just to make sure everything is nice and combined. So DPG is essential to the making of these incense. So without it, they'll have an icky smell and they'll produce black smoke, which we don't want. So the DPG helps evenly saturate the sticks with your fragrance of choice while burning cleanly. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue stirring just for a few seconds more. All right, now that this is nice and well mixed together, I can apply this mixture to our blank incense sticks. So make sure you lay out enough aluminum foil to spread out your sticks, and we're just gonna go ahead and pour the mixture over them and do your best to get them evenly saturated. So now we're going to use some gloved hands to fully coat each stick, and then we're going to wrap the aluminum foil tightly around this bundle. All right, now that these are nice and well mixed together, we're just going to wrap it like a little present, like I said. Yeah. And we're just folding it up and going. All right. Fold the other way. And then they're going to really need to soak for about 48 hours or so. So as the blank sticks soak, be sure to rotate them around every now and then to make sure that they stay nice and saturated. And I'll catch you guys in, well, 48 hours. All right, these have been soaking for the past 48 hours, so let's go ahead and get these bad boys unwrapped and let's lay them out to dry. All right, so I went ahead and grabbed another little glove here and my rack. So I'm gonna be using this rack and I'm just gonna place it on top of our baking tray, and we're just gonna display all of our beautiful incense sticks on there just to make sure that they can dry. So, we just wanna make sure when we are laying them out that they are getting plenty of air exposure. That way they all dry nice and evenly. They're beautiful. All right, and I'm just gonna grab them like so, and I'm just gonna go ahead and lay them out now. All right, so this final product needs to fully dry before their use, and this can take anywhere from 2 days to a week, depending on the humidity of your environment and the thickness of the fragrance oil. So I found that it helps to have a dehumidifier in your workspace to help speed up the process, so grab one if you can. All right, guys, it's been a couple of days, 2 days to be exact, for my incense sticks, and they are fully dry and ready to go. So let's go ahead, grab my little incense lighter tray here. Let's light one. I'm so excited. Ah! Each incense stick costs pennies to make, meaning they can be sold wholesale in bundles of 10 for about 50 cents wholesale and $2 retail. Pair it with all of our other aromatherapy projects, which can be found in our how-to playlist on our channel. Well, did you guys enjoy following along with me for today's video? Well, if so, drop a like and comment down below with what you want to see me make next. As always, I'm Maddie, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video really soon. Okay, bye guys.